हांव अनुराधा वरगांवकर आयज हे एक स्टेटमेंट आयकला जो एडवोकेट नरेंद्र सावयकर हेणी आमच्या भुरग्यांक वायटी म्हटल्या. वायटी म्हणजे कितें? वायटी म्हणजे कितें? आयज तुमी जावन आसा वायटी. कित्याक हे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक इंडियेच्या भुरग्यांक लागलेली वायटी तुमी आमी न्हू. आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमी आमच्या कश्टांनी शिकयला, आमच्या कश्टांनी हे केलं आणि आयज आमचे हे करता पळय टॅक्स पेयरांच्या क्वेश्चन तुमी सांगता आणि आमच्या भुरग्यांक तुमी वायटी म्हणटा खबरदार. तुमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक वायटी म्हणत जाल्यार आयज तुमकां हे लास्ट वॉर्निंग. देव बरें करूं.
Sudeep, today the Gen Z of Goa has come out. This is the second time. So how do you feel in the coming days?
In the coming days, there are two possibilities. Either C will come on our doors or we will go to the doors of C. We are not going to allow this sea of corruption to take us over. We are not going to allow this corrupt system to suppress us. And we are not going to allow all this paper leak and tamasha what is going on to happen again. We are going to stop it. The students' power, the youth power, the Chhatra Shakti will stop it. Thank you.
पेपर लीक हो गया. सो आता ही साडकां भायर सोडल्याय चोय जेन्झी हातीन उलयताय चोय आनी टर्मायट म्हणटाय. अरे एच टर्मायट तर तुमकां लागोले न्हू. तुमगे कित नांव काबार जातो तें तुमकां चिंतपा जाय. तुमगेलें कित नांव काबार जातो तें. दे आर द फ्युचर ऑफ दीस नेशन आनी तूं तांकां वायटी म्हणटा. वायटी मातशें लागोल जाल्यार कितको काबार कोत्ती खबर आहा मरे तुमकां. दिल्ली कॉक्रोचीस म्हणून भायर सोडले आनी जंतर मंतर आवाज जालो आनी कित देखून जालो पार्लमेंटा पावले. सो तुमची जाय जेन्ना गोंयकार उठतले मरे तुमची मरे फुट्टोली हे उड आसतो रे. आनी आतां गोंयकार पयली भाशेन नाय तुमचे भाशेन ब्रूत न्हू. आतां गोंयकारां शिकपा. दे आर द फ्युचर ऑफ दीस नेशन. आयज आवाज कोत्ता जाणटी न्हू. आयज आवाज कोत्ता नेणटी न्हू. आयज आवाज कोत्ता भुरगीं. भुरगीं ती न्हिदलोली ती उठोली. कानार तेंचो पडलो आवाज. सरकाराचो आवाज गेलो. आयज तुम चिंतपा जाय. तुम साडकाक उलयताय थंय तुमगे टायम येयलो ती साडकां परतून चिकड्या वचोन रावपाची. तुमकां न्हिदो आसाय कित्याक आतां जेन्झी उठल्याय.
Arvi, today the Gen Z of Goa has woken up and this is the second time they have come out. Previously we could see in Goa there were a lot of agitation and the youth and the students had come out. Now this is the time I see after a long time youth of Goa without any fear has come out. So what do you have to say on this?
I think the youth and the Gen Z have made something very clear. They have made it clear that they do not care for the political parties. They do not care for affiliations. But when there is an insult to their dignity, like what happened yesterday with the comments of Narendra Sawaikar, irrespective of whether the political parties side, they're gonna show up. So you don't mess with the youth, with the dignity, because it's our right to come out, and the youth are beginning to see that sitting at home is not doing us any favors, and nobody else is going to speak up for us. But it's we ourselves who are going to speak up for ourselves, and we are doing that. And like the last poetry, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, this is the land where we want to enter.
So one thing I have to ask you, see, the youth and the Gen Z has come out without any fear. Do you see any changes in the society or in the coming days?
I very much see a lot of changes in the coming days, because this is the beginning. People say that there has not been a beginning, but the beginning is already here, and the beginning also marks the end of a era, if I should say. Exactly 12 years of something is going to come to an end. We all know what. And fascism, Murdabad, it can take many shapes, but at one point, Baba, it will come to an end. And the youth that you see here are a symbol of that fearless youth are going to take over. No party, nothing. The youth will take over. Your end is here, Baba. Count your days.
Thank you. Thank you very much.